Hello everyone, my greeting to you all. Welcome back to my channel. Please, if it's your first time, please kindly subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss any informations. So today we are going to look at different type of business that you can do in this 2020, which is this year. You cannot just wait for this year to just pass by without involving yourself with one or two things. Even though you don't have enough big money, at least you can do a little thing with your time and all. So today, without not wasting much time, we're going to look at, I list out 10 points what kind of business you can do. So number one is making of hair. Yeah, you can make your hair. You can make, like, without not having a big money, you can make hair. How are you going to start that? You don't have to wait for big money to come before you know you can do this kind of business. Here is even the simple business you can involve yourself into. Okay, let me explain so that you understand what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about is that you can start your business personally, a little. How can you start that? You can be telling your friends or people you know that care to listen to you on business. Oh, my friend or my days, I'm doing. I know how to make hair very well. You give them your contacts, or you start by arranging card. You'll be giving them one after the other. So with time, you'll be surprised they'll be calling you for hair, either for home service or outside. You understand? So you can put your other things and other. You know how to make also wig. You can also do that too. Wig, you do wig for people. You get paid for it. So you don't have to sit down across your hand, be waiting for money to come so that you can open store or one or two things. You can't do that. You can just start normal. That's if you know how to do it. Even though you don't even know how to do it, you can also go and learn. With time, you can meet up, then you can start your own personal business. That is what I mean by that. And secondly, we are going to look at what? We are going to look at how to bake cakes. Yeah, a lot of people, if you know how to bake cake, instead of sitting down and wasting your time, why can't you just go into the business of doing snacks and decoration of cake? Yes, you can make your money from there. Okay, let's say for example now, you can make your money from by baking cakes, like going to all these occasions for marriage, for birthdays and all that. Even snacks you can also supply to people. There are a lot of people out there, they just want to eat. You can do snacks, you can do cake for them. You can start telling them, oh, this is what I'm into, I wish this is what I am capable of doing. By telling people. If you don't tell people, people will not know that you can do that. So you see, there is another kind of business you can also do this year. Instead of folding your hands, my dear, you have to wake up. You have to start doing things, one of the other, to keep yourself busy and also to be getting income. So that is for that. And about uh, three, which is what? Selling of weavons. Yeah, you can also sell, even though you don't know how to make all this hair or wig. You can also sell weavon. Even you can buy online. You can also sell. You sell to your friends, to your neighbor, or to anyone. Tell them, oh, please, I'm selling you my hair. I'm selling wig. I'm selling that. Selling weavons. You can also make your money from it. That is it. People will buy. There's no way people will not put on something on their head. People, especially women love, they always like looking beautiful. So you see, they will definitely buy from you. You can also be keeping yourself busy by selling of wigs or weavon, you know? Yeah. You can also add it to it. Now we're going to look at the other point, which is selling of provisions. Yeah. This one is also cool business. You can be selling of provisions if you have little by little. Yeah, you can sell to people who wish to know. They would definitely buy. There's nobody that can stay without food. There's nobody. Nobody can stay without food. Nobody. They cannot. So they must definitely buy things from you. All you just need to do is just for you to start telling people, oh, this is what I'm capable of doing. With time, you just little. Just give yourself a time. You have to start little. Then by then you earn big. So they're going to look at what into food. Yeah, a lot of people buy food. Okay, if you don't know, I'm going to explain a little detail. Food, yes, everybody will love food. What did I mean by that is that if you know how to cook all this jello for all this soup and all those things, ah, or if even though you can just open a small place and be organizing, or even from home, you can just start like, you know, be selling to people. Anybody that even buy from you, oh my dear, especially when the food is delicious, more are coming. You understand? Let your arrangement, let it be neat. Where you cook, let it be neat. Where you serve or where you give people your food, your plates, your spoons, all those things, it need to be neat, because nobody wants to see anything dirty. They will not even have the appetite of buying or even eating the food from you. So you see, you have to also what, allow your things to be neat when it comes to food. If you want to, you can be going into business of selling of food. Yeah, a lot of people will buy from you. There are a lot of people say they cannot even prepare food from their home because of time and all that. When you start selling, when they know you that, oh yes, you can, you can cook and you can also supply to them, they will buy from you. You prepare a fried rice or jollof rice, they know yes. When one person eat today, it's very delicious. You even tell some of your friends, oh come and eat this woman jollof rice or fried rice, all those kind of food. My dear, you see, there is another opportunity of what, work, business, which you can even do in this 2020. Another one again is what, social media. Yeah, you can also get your money for social media. A lot of people, they are just into that. Even you can even start doing it from home. Even where you are just sitting down, if you have a little, you just start doing it. Involve yourself in social media business. You can also make money. Online business, let me put it that way if you don't understand. Online business, you can also involve yourself in it. You will enjoy it, you will gain it. Yes, a lot of people, they are into it. So instead of crying there, I don't have enough money to start my business, we can start this. Even this don't even have enough money for you. All you just need to do is just have your Wi-Fi or your subscription or any whatever. Then you can start one or two business online. You can cut tickets. You can even go into YouTube business. You can also go into other, there are a lot of business you can go into when it comes to online. You understand? Even buying of all these wig, like I said before, and wig and human hair and all those things. Yes, you can go into it. When you buy, you sell. Yes, you can make a money. Even all this cream and all those things. You advertise your business. You use money. That is what I'm talking about. It's online business I'm talking about here. You're listening. So the next one I'm going to talk about is with all this your jewelry, chain, clothes, and what, shoes. Yes, you can also go into detail. Those one, yeah, those people that have money. But even though you don't even have enough money, but you can still start a little. Yes, when you have money, you can evolve into that. You can start buying jewelry, chains, and clothes, and be hawking them little by little, calling some of your friends and all that. Oh, this is what I'm selling, and all. They will call you. Oh, let me see. By the time one person see one thing or the other, you will definitely buy one or two from you. And from there, your name and your number is also spreading. They can also be calling you to buy from you too. So it's not by having a big money, you want to open a shop, you don't have money, then you just sit down before doing your hands. You cannot do that. This is 2020. You have to wake up. You have to involve yourself with one or two things of business. You have to be getting money. Yeah. That one is aside. Now we're going to look at barbering of hair. Yes. Yes. You can also barber hair, tattoo, and all those things. You can also make your money. Like I said before, making of hair. Yes, this also go together. So what I'm trying to say is that you can also make your what? Money by barbering of hair, even tattoo and all those things. Because by the time you start barbering hair, you have your money. Somebody will call you, oh, please, I cannot go outside. I can't come. You carry your scraper, you carry everything. You put them inside bar, you go. You go and barber the hair, perfect. Then they give you your money, you get paid. It's just cool business without not stressing yourself. Even tattoo, a lot of people draw tattoo on their body. Yes, you can also do that. You getting me? Even export and import, that is another point again. Export and import of goods. If you are that kind of woman, you are capable of doing it, or that kind of man, you are capable of doing it, you can also make money from this. You understand? You can go back to your country to go and bring goods. You come here, you sell them, or those that can even call you, oh, please, this is what I want from so and so country. Can you? Yeah, you will say yes. Then you give it the list of what you want. Then when you buy them here, they come and claim your goods. Then you pay him or her. That is it. That is money. If you know you can go into all this business and measure. A lot of business are just out there, which even self I cannot even finish measuring them. So you see, you can, instead of you sitting down there, doing nothing, you can keep yourself busy with one or two things, as you can see. So that is for today. So today, please, I will see you some other time. Thank you very much for watching my video. I kindly appreciate. May God bless you.